All right, guys, so I have been putting up an Instagram post. I've been working and then I got a package. I didn't know what was coming. I knew I had something coming, but it was this and I haven't opened it. I literally just actually tore it with my fingernail. Weirdo. Wow. So I'm so excited about this. I actually looked into how to join the Benefit Club Pink maybe like a year or so ago, couldn't figure it out, and then they sent me an invitation. They sent me a postcard and said I made it. So I'm really excited, and basically they'll send you product. It's like a way for smaller influencers to, be able to get some product. Obviously, I can't go out and buy everything, so this is amazing. I'm so excited. I know that this is probably a crazy package, so I wanted to vlog it, like first opening it so you guys can hear my reaction, and then I am going to post on Instagram stories, but I wanted to do this first. So let's see. Okay, look how cute. I'm so excited. Oh my god. They literally sent so much. This is crazy. Okay, wow, we got Bag Out Bang, we got the Highbrow Glow, Roller Lash. They're real. I love their mascara, so this is exciting. 24-hour brow setter. I'm actually using this now. I really love it. Goof Proof Brow Pencil Shade 3. Yes! Angled Brow Brush and Spoolie. I didn't have their brush. I'm so excited about that. What else? Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is in Shade 3 again. Yes! I love both of those pencils so much. The Highbrow Pencil. My goodness, I'm nervous. The Bravo Conditioning Primer. I've wanted to try this for so long. We got the 3D Brow Tones. They sent me shade 2. What's up? Oh my goodness. I used this a long time ago. I'm really happy to have it back in my life. Gimme Brow shade 3. They really hooked me up. Cabrow shade 3. I got all the brows. Look, we got Dandelion. Yes. I don't think I've used Dandelion before. We got the Dandelion Twinkle. This is the Brow Zings Pro Palette. Wow, I did not have that. High Beam. Oh, I got the Rockature. This is such a pretty color. Got California. Yes. Hula Bronzer. What is this? The Hula Bronzing and Contouring Brush. Holy shnikes. I think this is the really cute one. It is. I'm so excited. Yes, look at this brush. Oh, that looks so nice. And then also the Professional. Look how much stuff they sent. So nice. Thank you so much to Benefit. I'm definitely, of course, going to be using this. I already use a lot of Benefit products, but I will, of course, be using all of these in videos on Instagram. Ooh, the brush. I'm so excited about the brush and the Pro Palette, and honestly, like the blushes. I'm so excited. I don't even know how to react. So yeah, this is what I got. I got this package. I'm so very thrilled. Thank you so much, Benefit. I'll go ahead and link Benefit down below. If you want to check out any of the products, I will go into greater detail as I use them. But a lot of these I've already know and love, so really excited to have them. And then a few new things to try out, but I'm so excited. And I'm going to post some stuff on Instagram now, and I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so it's once again a very fragmented vlog. I haven't put one up in a while. Whoa, look at this hair. She is looking good. I could not get up this morning. It was very pleasant. It's a little bit rainy, but like light rain. I also have two humidifiers by my bed right now. I don't know, I'm just being really extra, but I just could not seem to want to wake up. My body was like, sleep. Sitting with Keanu. I was trying to think like, what's going on in my life? Nothing, like everything's just been work. I haven't been feeling like very inspired with any like cool video ideas. If you guys have any or just things you want to see, let me know. It is now Friday, March 2nd right now, so you know, I'll start getting my subscription boxes for the month and things like that. So I'll definitely be filming those, but I don't know, I just haven't really felt creative, and I think it's because I've been like really stressed and it's mostly work related. I know I've been posting weird stuff on Twitter. You know, I've had a situation that has made me really angry, honestly, and you know, it kind of sucks when you feel like maybe you've been a little mistreated, or that, you know, things consistently don't go your way. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but it is frustrating. And for me, if something is bad enough to get me to the point of like anger, it's hard for me to get out of that. That's just, you know, a flaw. We all have them. But, you know, I've been feeling mad and I'm getting over it, like, don't get me wrong, but it's that coupled with, I also have a little like medical worry right now. I do have an appointment scheduled for next week, and I'm gonna go for like a regular appointment with a gynecologist, but also see about, well, I'll just tell you guys, I mean, it's just part of life. I have some discomfort in one of my breasts, and at first, you know, I thought it's just period pain, it's whatever, and then you know, a couple more weeks passed and it was consistent through the month, so I was like, okay, this is starting to worry me. And then I said, you know, I'll make an appointment, I'll go, it's fine, I need to go for a yearly anyway. And just see, you know, what the opinion is. But the pain started getting worse. I've become more uncomfortable, so I'm just gonna go get it checked out. I'm one that like will not go to the doctor unless I absolutely have to. I've worked in a clinic before, so I just know that like what the opinion of doctors is. You know, you take all these antibiotics, and when you have like a cold that is really just viral, things like that. So I don't go unless I need to. But when I need to, I'll go. So at any rate, I'm a little nervous about that. That also has me a little stressed out because I've never had any issues at all. Like nothing ever. You know, so I'll leave that at that. I'm not going to dwell on that. But next week I will go, and, you know, it's probably nothing. That's the general case. But, you know, you always get in the back of your head like, oh, it could be like the worst. So yeah, we'll let that go for now. Nothing really exciting has been happening, honestly. I've worked a lot and my schedule's been like super erratic. There is a possibility that I may cut back on the amount that I work, because I work so much, and then it's really hard to, you know, do my videos and Instagram and all that kind of stuff, that I just call it altogether. I think of it as one thing, but to do all of that and, you know, work as much as I do, it's really hard to accomplish everything you want to accomplish. So I am, you know, considering, you know, there's always options, but I am considering the possibility of working less, maybe one fewer day a week, and give me one more day a week to focus on other things. That would be really great, because I really don't take my day off as a day off most of the time. I still do stuff for videos or whatever, and then I feel like I haven't accomplished anything. I didn't rest, and I didn't really do a good job of videos. Like, it's, I don't know, I feel kind of guilty at the end of them. So it would be nice to have like 2 days a week to work on it and 1 day a week to really be like relaxing and restful and, you know, take care of myself. So we'll see what happens. But that is really it for now. I may do a little bit more cleanup in my vanity room, but it is 10 o'clock right now and I need to be gone around 12. So I'm giving myself about an hour to do anything I want to do around the house and relax a little bit. And then I have about an hour to shower and get ready. So that's the plan, and I work late tonight. So you guys will probably see this video go up a little bit later, but I am going to put it up tonight. And then tomorrow I am off. So I will film another video. I've been talking for 6 minutes. Like, what am I even talking about? I really want to go to TJ Maxx. Like I've not been going at all for, I don't know when the last time I went, maybe Valentine's Day. So it's only been a couple of weeks, but you know, I'd love to go check it out, but I'm just trying to be really frugal and consider, you know, everything, if I do work less, yada yada. But I'm trying to be really responsible and having everything, you can tell I'm not on keto. My face is fluffy. But, you know, making sure that everything is paid off. I don't have any outstanding things. And when we were also planning a trip to New York in April, I'm not 100% a no on that, but with the current state of the coronavirus being what it is, and knowing that there are cases, you know, cropping up in the US, I'm kind of waiting to see, and I'm not booking any tickets right now. Like, if anything, we might book last minute tickets if we go, and, you know, I may just go ahead and request the time off, being kind of unsure if I'm going to actually use it for that or not. But, you know, going to New York, that would be a big airport to go into if, you know, the spread does increase the way that a lot of people think that it will, because, you know, it's a thing, and New York is a very populous place, and especially just going into that airport, like, that would be a lot. So, you know, we'll see. I'm not sure either way on that, honestly. So I'm gonna let you guys go for now, because all I'm doing is chatting, and I'm gonna drink my coffee, and if I do anything else interesting, I will vlog it. Okay, I don't know how I always make literally the biggest mess, but let's try to clean some of this up, shall we? Well, if you guys were ever curious what powder I use the most, I just took the sifter out of my Pretty Vulgar. It's the powder room, and that's all that's left. So I just left the sifter out so I can use the remaining powder today. And yeah, then it's about kicked. So I really, really love this one. Like, I have so many other powders, but I've just gotten in a habit where I use this almost every time I do my makeup. But that is what I've been loving. I'm tempted to restock, but honestly, I'm just going to start trying other powders that I have that I really haven't given a chance yet. And if none of them impress me, then I will repurchase the Pretty Vulgar. So once again, this is supposed to be my desk to edit on, and I have done the most pitiful job. I've cleaned it off and then put stuff all over it again, and then it's just been a cycle of that. So I don't have a lot of time at this point, but I thought I would just kind of maybe condense and see what I can move around. I have 2 bags of lip products, so let's combine those, like almost random lip balms, oils, scrubs. So I'm just gonna put these in this Biossance bag and put them to the side. And I'm really starting to stack up on bags because the Ipsy ones have been so cute lately. There's my lens cap. Guys, I lose my lens cap all the time. It's actually ridiculous. So let's see what else. I've got bags that I can put away until I want to use them. These are really cute for like little, you know, little take with you clutch, whatever. This mirror, which has actually come in handy, is so nice and big. And I opened my closet to put my bags away, and Mr. Manners went into the closet. Oh, and I'm stupid. I've got Bite Lip Therapy. I've got this one, the cutest. What up, sucker? I need to repaint my nails. That's another story. My favorite pair of blue light glasses are getting scratched up. I've got these little mini Too Faced glosses sitting over here, probably since holiday. Like, what is wrong with me? More sponges on my little dish. I will soon do a more proper cleanup. I've got kind of like holiday-ish headbands. Oh, and another sponge, just the ColourPop one. Hey. Haven't used this yet. Alright, so we've got some palettes here. Celestial Thunder, Nude. I think I was like trying to find if this little organizer was gonna work for me. I don't know if this organizer is gonna work for palettes. More palettes. Jeez. I will do another palette declutter. I didn't clear down my palette collection as much as I really wanted to. Oh, the little BH brushes that I never started using because they've been over here. Cotton pads. I forgot I had these. Alright, so that is much better. I've got a few more products to put away, but it's an improvement. I also have my little bitty avocado speaker, which I had over here. I'll put it back. So that's about all the time I have for now because I need to get ready for work. So that's what it's looking like. I'm sure I will wind up putting stuff over there. I also need to clean out this little drawer. It doesn't have a lot of space, but I do have a few things in here. It's just like this little bitty drawer. Look at this. Meow. This one, Feed Me and Tell Me I'm Pretty. I've got cards in here. A couple of you guys, when I had that P.O. box, sent me cards, and I have kept them. So there they are. She needs some work. So that's what's going on. I'm going to get ready now, and I'll talk to you guys in a minute. I wasn't going to turn my ring light on, but this was like a super weird angle. I just tried to take a picture of my makeup. It was just one of those days where I thought it was really, really cute, but the pictures were like, not at all. But it is Monday night. I am home now, and my dad has a fun little saying when it looks like my hair is greasy, as he says. Looks like it's time for an oil change. But anyway, I am home now, and I am just going to put some clips together for this vlog. I'm partially edited, but not all the way. So I'm just going to get the vlog ready for you guys and put it up. It's just so-so in my opinion. I don't think it's that great of a vlog, but what are you gonna do about it, you know? So we're just gonna go with it. So I'm just gonna relax after I get this edited, put the video up for you guys. Tomorrow I'm off, and I'm really excited to be at home, and I'm gonna give myself a little bit of relaxing time in the morning, and then I'm gonna get to it. I want to get this room straightened up more. My desk is still cleared off. I mean, a few hours, but it's still cleared off. And yeah, I want to get, I don't know, just everything kind of in its place so that I feel ready to film. And I'm going to film tomorrow. I think I'm going to film like a current favorites video because I have literally been loving some things lately so much that I think it's time to really tell you guys like what I've really been loving. So I'm going to gather some things up. We're going to talk about makeup and skincare and all that stuff. So that's what I'm going to do. I hope you guys are having an amazing night. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I just really appreciate you guys. So everything you do to watch, take time out of your life to spend with me is really, really amazing. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog, and I will see you tomorrow for another video. Bye.